Para sa'yo, Dick. Happy birthday.
Special message para sa akin.
Happy birthday.
Alam mo naman, hindi kami marunong kumanta. Pero this song, yung mga song na pinili namin, sana magustuhan mo. Okay, Sir Joseph?
Music please.
Happy birthday, Kuya!
Care of you. You know I can't smile without you. I can't smile without you. I can't laugh and I can't sing. I'm finding it hard to do anything. I just can't smile without you. Came along just like a song and brightened my day. We would believe that you were part of a dream. Now it all seems like years away. You know I can't smile without you. I can't smile without you. I can't laugh and I can't sing. I'm finding it hard to do anything.
Thank you lang po. Yun lang po masasabi ko. Mahirap pong magsaya na kami po ay may pinoproblema rin. Pero sabi nga, ngayon ko naranasan ang buhay ng isang artista na the show must go on. So salamat sa pagtitiyaga nyo.
Okay. Nagpayak mo rin ako dito. Naiyakan, tika.
The celebrant na nagbigay po ng flowers sa mga babae sa kanyang buhay. Yan po muli ay ang kanyang mami. Kasama po dyan ang kanyang kapatid na si Dulce, and of course ang kanyang misis, ang celebrant na si Claudette, at ang kanyang anak, si Dane. We are now witnessing the celebrants on the renewal of vow. Tayo kaya, Quizzy, kailan? Now na. Ngayon naman po, ilalagay natin ang veil. Ay, ang cord. Brother, ang cord. And of course,
ito tingin.
Nakain natin ang sising na ito na siyang simula ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan. Sa ngalan ng mga sinalahan ng Espiritu Santo.
we are now witnessing the celebrants na isinusuot na po ang kanilang mga singsing. Once again, this is a renewal of vows. Cord muna, tapos po yung belo. Yan. Ngayon naman po ay yung belo, tatanggalin na po natin. And of course, to seal that promise of love, can we have a kiss from the celebrants?
Yes!
Okay. Palakpakan naman po natin. Picture po with the family, of course. Mga sponsors, siyempre. Picture muna sa... The celebrants na pupunta po sa ating cake table, may I request waiters.
Happy birthday to you.
Mga sabay-sabay po tayo mawin na happy birthday!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Okay.
Everybody, put your hands together. Come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Anything that you decide or anything at all, every day I'll take you higher and I'll never let you fall. Let me be your wings, let me be your only love, let me take you far beyond the stars. You let me stay, I will be your wings wherever you go. Andito lang ako lagi para sa'yo. Pakabait ka ha. We'll see the universe dance on silent ring. Heaven isn't too far. Heaven is where you are. Stay with me and let me be your wing. Thank you, babe.
Once again, the celebrants together with Dane and of course, the ballet dancers.